Bomb Finance going to show you what's going on, how to invest, and the profits and the returns from the investment. 24 hours. I invested $350 into this yesterday, about 24 hours ago, and now you see where it is at. This thing is taking off. I called it on the channel. I released a video about this, and since I released a video, this thing has taken off like a rocket. So this is 1,235 from only $350. This is 81 interest earned as well. So we're talking about over $1,300 off of a $350 investment in one day. So now I am actually going to invest some more. I want to increase the position on this. So in order to do that, you got to go here, buy. Oh, first of all, total value locked is 33 million. Yesterday it was around, I believe, 12 million, something like that. So this thing is massively taken off. And this is a clone, a fork of Tomb Finance, which 8,000x. They're doing the same kind of thing here, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain. And as of yet, it is a very lucrative investment. Wishing I would have invested some more, but I'm dollar cost averaging in. I'm kind of watching it as it grows, but I do still think it's very early. So if you want to invest, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. This is high risk. Right here, boom, boom. Let's see what we're gonna do. Connect wallet. You should know all this. Have your MetaMask. pancakeswap is where you swap tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm just gonna do max, and that's about $600 right now. And then we're just going to swap right there. I may even invest more here in a little while, but for now, I'm just going to throw this in there. I should have did this a couple hours ago, but I've been super busy working on something else. Right there. So check out the website if you haven't. Read the docs. Always read the docs. Check out, their social media, their Twitter and all that, Telegram, Discord. Look at the charts, do whatever you got to do. But, this thing for me has been a blessing. And like I said, I think it's still early. I mean, 33 million total value locked for a project like this, because it is a clone or a fork of Tomb Finance. Tomb Finance already proved to be very, very lucrative. I have another video on that. You might want to watch it, comparing these. And, it's basically modeling success. So they saw how successful Tomb Finance was, and they basically mimicked it on the Binance Smart Chain, which has a lot more users than Phantom. So this could actually, and I'm not saying it will, this could perform like Tomb Finance, and who knows, this is crypto. Anything can happen. But the key is you want to get early. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Do diligent research and just take ownership and be responsible. Whether you win or whether you lose, it's your decision. This is not financial advice. This is strictly for educational purposes. I'm showing you what I'm doing. Don't copy what I do. Don't do what I do. This is high risk. Crypto is high risk. And so now we're going to go to boardroom, and we're going to stake. So you simply go here to the boardroom. You stake. Let me see. Let me take a picture so I have a personal record of my progress. Yes, yes, yes. And then you go here, stake, max, confirm. Boom. So you'll see this number jump up from 1239 to about 1800. Confirm on your MetaMask. So I'm staking this right here, the B share, and I'm earning bomb at a very high APR, 3787, which is very high. Let's see, 3787. So that's 10% a day. So I'm making 10% a day interest on this amount here, which is insane. 10% a day. But the real growth has been from the appreciation of the token price right here. So yesterday, B share was around, see, now we're at $2,133 staked. All right. So yesterday, the TVL, the price was actually 3,500, I believe. And you can see right now, right here, this thing is at almost, what is it, $12,000 per B share. My goodness. So can you imagine getting in on something like this early, putting $1,000 in, a couple thousand, and obviously high risk, high reward. You can lose everything at the same time. Do not be deceived. Do not think that crypto is magic and you just put money in and all of a sudden you're rich. It doesn't work that way. But if the more you study, the more you learn, the wiser investments you can make. But could you imagine putting $5,000 on this yesterday? You know, in 24 hours, if you do the math, you would have made a lot of money. So anyways, don't want this video to be too long. This is just an update. Keep doing updates on this. There's actually not a lot of YouTube videos on this at all. You can see there's obviously money invested in it, so people know about it. But invest wisely, not financial advice. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss this. I mean, just the last week, we've had so many bangers. Nemesis Dow, 3x in 7 days. This just radically exponentially grew in 24 hours. I'm literally showing you real time my investments, me putting money in, me multiplying money. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? We're young on this channel, but we're just getting started, and we just want to help people. So God bless. See you on the next one. Subscribe.